up, guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. My name is LJ and this is NoClutch Garage. Today I have a video that I'm pretty sure other people have done already, but I figured if I'm gonna go ahead and document everything that I've done or will do to my car, I might as well also show this off. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna change out the starter button on my car. This very simple modification elevates the interior of your car to a whole new level. So I picked up a red button and we're gonna go ahead and change it out. I actually want to leave my place because all those bugs make tons of noises and it's annoying. Don't think I haven't noticed it in my other videos. I just happened to have already shot the videos and I wasn't about to re-record all those videos, so apologies for that. Still working on my audio issues. We will get all that sorted out eventually. All right. I can't get over how good my car sounds, guys. That intake that I put on there just transformed the sound of the car. Just how the engine sounds up front. Sounds amazing. Make sure you support your local taco stand. These guys have been out here for the past few months and they're doing pretty well. I don't know how many of you guys have actually seen all my videos, but this is actually the parking deck where I shot my first video. It's kind of cool coming back here. I haven't been up here in a while, and I realized it's a really good spot to make videos, but it's been hot as hell. So I don't know if making a video up here would have been a good idea, period. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this done. Hey guys, before we get started, there are going to be a few things that you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need the button that you're going to be replacing, and I picked the red button. I'll leave the link down below for this particular red button. I got it off of Amazon. I'm sure they have other choices like blue, or if you prefer like a carbon fiber accented, I'm sure they have something else, but I'll leave you a link to the one that I got. You're probably going to need a little set of screwdrivers. First thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to the trunk and unplug the battery. Now that you have unplugged the battery, you're going to want to pry this outside out. The way I did it and the way that I have done it, I pry the bottom and then pry the top. I go in here just carefully. You don't have to be aggressive about it. Just carefully pry it out. It's out. There are these two little clips, one right here and one at the bottom, and you're gonna want to use one of the screwdrivers and you're gonna want to push it in so it unclips and push the other side in. When both sides are unlatched, it'll come off. The next part is disassembling this housing, and the way to do it is actually very simple. You have these little brackets all around and it's 6 of them. It doesn't matter which side you pick first, but go from one side and do the bracket, make sure they're off, and then in this example I'm going to the top. Go ahead and undo those. You can even do it by hand, just be very careful because they are plastic and they will break. Undo these. Once you have undone it, it comes off and it'll reveal the circuit side and just the plastic button side. Be careful with this side. If you drop it, it will fall apart and you have to put it back together. The next step is fairly simple. This is the last step. There are 2 little brackets in there that you have to make sure come off simultaneously in order for the button to come out. The way I do it is I get one of them out, put it right there, and then with another screwdriver, pop the other one out, push it in, and now the button's out and you're left with this. Now all we have to do is get this out. Shiny red button. Make sure these prongs are in the right spot. So you have your housing. Obviously the letters are going to be facing the same way. So you just pop it in all the way in. And just because it's in doesn't mean it's secure. Make sure you go to the back. If the little hinges need to be popped in, just pop it in like that. Make sure it's on there good. Now it's just a matter of reassembling everything. Put this back. Connect it. There we go. Once it's connected, you just push it in. And we're done. Now all there is left to do is to awaken the beast. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Like I said, it was really short. I think it's a tasteful mod, you know. It's just a simple button, but I feel like simple things like that are what makes the difference between a tastefully modded car and just something that looks straight up riced out. I don't want my car to look that way. And for the most part, cosmetically, my car looks stock. So I don't have a problem making additions to the interior of my car as long as I feel that they fit the overall theme. My interior happens to be red and black, so that red button was a no-brainer. I have a few more things coming though that are gonna make the interior of my car really pop, and I cannot wait to show you guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I hope that you found this channel informative. I really try to do simple DIY stuff and even complicated DIY things. If you like the video, make sure that you click like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you stay up to date on all my latest videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting NoClutch Garage, and I will see you next time.